In this video, I'm going to show you how to pull apart the magazine on an M4A1 Gel Blaster machine gun. So first thing you need to do is remove the magazine. Then once you've got that off there, you'll notice there is 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. You'll need to use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew them. Now open up that little latch there and you're going to pull apart the 2 sides of the magazine. When you do it, have it so the opening is close to you and the terminals are on the other side. That way it will open up with all of the components being on this side, being the bottom, and the top is just the empty other side of the case. This is what it looks like inside the magazine. The most fiddly bit is these springs and locking mechanism up here. What that is when you insert the magazine, it pushes this little tab inwards and moves it away from there to try and stop balls falling out of the tube. Doesn't always happen, but that's what that is. So when you put it back together, this is the part you need to watch out for. But let's continue with the removal of all of the different components. And here we go. This is where the motor is. Mine has had a bit of rust build up on it because I've left balls in here. So make sure when you finish using them, you empty the balls out or just shoot them away. So that way you don't have water sitting in your case because it can cause your motors to seize up. Mine did, and I had to just pull it apart and turn this spirally section, and now it all works again. But putting it all back together is a bit of a challenge because it's hard to find instructions. So hopefully this video will help you out. So watch me as I now reassemble everything. So that latch component that I was talking about before contains 2 springs and 2 plastic pieces. The springs in mine are pretty much the same, so I don't worry about which one goes where. So this part here has a slope and a post on one end. And you can see the post is off center and is lower. There we go, that's how you reassemble the magazine on an M4A1 submachine gun gel blaster. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a comment and a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. See yous!